How to organize projects with Evernote. So first you have to go to Evernote and create an account. Go to the left side and then look for notes. And then here you can create a new note. So let's just say I'm going to organize project with a website redesign. So you can name your note right here with website redesign. To start, you can type on or tap on slash and then you can look for different blocks right here. So for example, if you wanted to add something like task list or bulleted list or so on, you just have to type slash and then add that. For example, you wanted to add a calendar event, just type slash and then click calendar. Select that specific date right here and you can add a note to that. You can also select if you want to add this to your event or task. Once done, tap on insert. Another thing is that if you want to add another block or field, just type slash. And let's just say if you wanted to add table, just type slash table. And then here you can add whatever you want to add inside your project notebook, like project overview. It will talk about your goals, objectives, key dates, meeting notes. It will record discussions and decisions. Task list. It will do step-by-step tasks with checkboxes and reference materials for research, images, and PDFs. Now, once done, you can add again another block or field. So for example, if you wanted to add checklist, just type slash and then look for checklist right here. Tap checklist and you can add checklist. Depends on your note. Let's just say if it's a website redesign, you can add something like research competitor, collect user, create wireframes, finalize design mockups, develop homepage, and so on. And once you're done with that, all you need to do is to tap the check or check the boxes. If you want to add notes, for example, if it's kick-off meeting, then you can type or tap slash and then note, and you will see it right here. And all you have to do is to add the note that you want. For example, it will talk about your agreement, the focus, or the marketing style, and so on. Another thing is that if you want to add a number list, then you can type or tap slash and then number, and then you can add here the number list or number task. Now, after that, if you wanted to add link, then you can add link by tapping slash and then link, copy that link or URL and then paste it right here. Tap on apply. Aside from that, you can also add images, a video. You just have to copy the link and then paste the URL or link right here. Also, if you wanted to add audio recording, you can type slash again and then look for recording or audio and so on. Just tap on allow permission or allow this time and then record whatever you want to add here on your note. And once done, you just have to simply save this or copy a link and send this to your client, your customer, to your teammates, workmates, or friend. And basically, that's how to organize projects with Evernote. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.